on, everybody? Nico here again. Today this video is about the whale shark swimming. We landed in Cebu last night from Clark, and we got up about 3:30 this morning. We had the driver pick us up for 4. It takes about 3 hours to get there from Mactan Island, and you can only swim with the whales from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and after that I think they just go or whatever, but it's one of those things that I'm excited about, so let's go. To swim with the whale sharks. It's about 3 hours away from where we are, from Mactan Island. It's quite a hike to go swim with the whale sharks. And the fall, what's the falls called again?
It's Aguinin.
Aguinin Falls is about 10,000 pesos for 2 people. So it's 10,000 each. And if you're in a bigger group, it gets cheaper. But yeah, we're here right now, and there's a lot of people here. But I think you go in those boats over there, and then you just jump in and swim with them. But I don't know how deep it is, but you'll see.
So this is more like how it looks like.
Okay.
Small boat going to that area.
Yeah.
So if you can see that pattern that they're like lining up,
Okay.
meaning to say that there's a lot of whale shark as of this moment.
Okay.
Yeah, more like when we say a lot, it's around 7 or 8. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So I just need to check my number
Okay.
here. Then I'll go back here. Will you be changed? Will you get changed or not?
I'm changed. I'm ready to go.
Okay. No worries. I'll be right back.
All right, guys. So we are here finally. This is something that I was kind of scared shitless to do, because I'm scared shitless of like big fish. But I'll take myself out of the comfort zone and see how I react. Wish me luck. But this is what it looks like. Look how packed it is. So it's just on the inside of that line where the whales are. And I guess you just jump into the boat and jump out. Kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually really nervous. But life begins when your comfort zone ends. So we're gonna get this done. Hopefully I get some good footage of it so you guys can see. Alright, we're about to get ready and go to see my little friends, or big friends. It's getting warm now. At least it's nice out. This morning they had a huge thunderstorm. I didn't think the weather was going to be good, but you know how it is here in the Philippines. It'll rain for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then as soon as the sun comes up, it goes away. As soon as it gets like early morning, mid-afternoon, it gets hot. It's probably around 30 degrees right now, but it's nice. Alright guys, let's go, let's do this. So apparently we have to go for an orientation.
Okay, we are now serving priority numbers 121, 122, 123, 124, and 125. And for booking, we are now serving priority numbers B16, B17, B8.
Yeah, so there was the orientation.
Guest with the party number of W126, 127, 128. Please, our guest with the party number of W131, 132, 133,
See the orientation? They make you sit down and
please proceed at the
listen to them for a bit. But they make you wear a life jacket, but if you're a good swimmer, they allow you to take it off and swim freely with them. But you heard what she said, you have to stay 4 meters away as possible. If the whale touches you, it's not an issue, but you can't physically touch the whale. So yeah, so this is going to be very exciting. Nothing feels better than this, the freedom to swim with Mother's Nature.
Third, in swimming, please observe a 4-meter distance away from the whale shark. And if you can see that the whale shark is getting closer to you,
Every 3 in the afternoon, there will be shark feeding. So they can actually like have a lot of...
There's shark feeding there?
Yes, baby sharks.
Oh, baby sharks.
Baby sharks.
Okay. As long as there's no sharks.
Yeah, baby sharks.
I don't mind the whale sharks, but no real sharks.
upon reaching there, if you're a good swimmer, you can take it off and do it.
It's like a part of the program because there's sharks feeding.
Okay. But it's over by that island?
Yeah. And if I'm not mistaken, it's netted.
Oh,
So more
it's netted.
Yeah.
Okay.
So more like they can monitor it, they cannot freely go because as we mentioned, it's a shark.
Right.
And right across, there's an activity right here.
Okay.
Listening, you will proceed downstairs and the waiting area are following.
Oh, wow. So if you see, there's boats lined up along that netting or the buoy rope. And that's where the whale sharks are lined up.
The very first that they saw that whale shark, they feed them.
Oh, they feed them. That's how they get them here.
They feed them.
Yeah.
Then next morning, he's not alone. He's
He'll bring
bringing
his
another
friends.
friends. So that's the reason why then sometimes you can actually encounter that there's a baby shark as well. Baby whale shark.
Oh.
Yeah. Those are the babies.
Oh, wow.
Those whale sharks.
Okay, so they feed them. I thought it was like a natural feeding process or something. I don't know.
Yo, kamera ni Sispay. Yo, asa si Sispay. Usa sa invest. Kaya magpa-video ko no.
You can leave your GoPro to the boatman so that they won't be the one to take.
I guess we're not snorkeling. It's just the tube with goggles. That's it. Truly an experience of a lifetime. I recommend if you're ever in Cebu, you do that. The whale sharks are massive. I think they go up to 10 meters, which is 30 plus feet. But they're very docile, they're very friendly. Just don't touch it because it's very, has like a prickly, it's in my bag. But yeah, wow, what an experience. All right, that was an amazing experience. If you're ever in Cebu, make sure you go to the whale shark swimming with the whale sharks. It's a must see. Those things are extremely majestic, beautiful animals. And right now we are off to the falls. Let's go.